I think the AI can play an incredibly positive role that when it really complements what humans can do by addressing things that humans cannot do. And specifically, we now know of a wealth of information that's produced, for example, by so-called high-throughput molecular assays that measure, say, all the genes in the body, say, in a biopsy or circulation or other compartments of the body. They can measure all the mutations or polymorphisms, meaning the genetic variation of inherited genetic material, our DNA that we carry in our cells. They can measure the protein levels across all proteins, the metabolite levels, and so forth and so on. So we're talking about, and in some cases, they can do it on a single cell basis. So now we have data sets that have 50 million variables, for example, per patient. Why? Because we get samples and we measure, say, 5 to 10,000 cells, and for each one of them, we measure tens of thousands of variables per molecular species, genes, proteins, metabolites, and so forth. So we're talking about dimensional spaces that are completely beyond the ability of the human brain to process. And that's one example where AI can be immensely powerful, because it can really partner with the human mind, address the areas where the human mind is not very strong, and make it so that the team, the partnership between the human clinician and the machine makes the team stronger. So these are, I think, the areas where clinical AI will thrive and will show immense value. Believing that it's a good idea to replace entirely the human clinician who has empathy, who has fluidity of thought, who has a whole bunch of inference and reasoning abilities that current technology will not reach for many, many, many years, is, I think, a complete fantasy and an oversell of where technology is and about to be in the foreseeable future. But the benefits, I think, are going to be tremendous along the lines I described.